Tell us what they happen.
Okay. I was having accommodation problem.
Okay.
I was very impressed due to my grandma issue in the house, everything. So I was going to this church that they called Sanctified Prophetic Word.
Never call any church name, not call anybody name yet.
Okay.
Good. I know why.
I'm in a department, choir department.
Okay.
So our leader, he was accommodating some choir people that has issue, like house problem issue.
Then I told choir master, being a pastor.
Now choir master, yes.
He didn't live for a side church.
No, he has his own house, 2-bedroom flat.
Oh wow. Okay.
So people that has accommodation, you do accommodate them. Then I went to him that please, I want to be squatting with him. And before then, we were dating outside. I have not yet started living in the house.
Hold on.
Wait. You with on the dates before you go meet and make you pack in, Abi?
Yes, we are dating. We are talking normal. Before I told him that I have
talking
accommodation.
Talking normal, I've been dating. No confuse us. Talking normal or on the date or on the mapoke. Which one you do?
Yes, we have been sleeping with ourselves from outside.
Okay.
Then I told him that I have accommodation problem.
Okay.
And I told him that he should help me and find a girl that is living alone so I can able to sport with the girl and be working and be paying house. And he said, no need, that his house is enough. I should come inside his house. I said, okay. Then I carried my bag. I went inside his house. So there is one girl that is living also there. I was hearing the rumor that two of them are dating. I called him. I asked him, are you dating this girl? So I will back off. Then we can end this friendship. He swear with me with Bible. And he's tearing that he has nothing to do with the girl. The girl keep giving me attitude due to any time he sees me and the guy playing or talking. The girl will be angry. I'll keep asking him, are you dating this guy and this girl? He said no, that he does not have anything to do with the girl. I said okay. Even until last time he wanted to slap me because I keep asking him the question about this girl. He said he does not have anything, that the girl is not his level or this. I said, okay, no problem.
Okay.
Along the line, he has given me first pregnancy. I could not tell him about that one because that one was like 1 week. Then I have to take drugs.
The first time you carried belle for him?
Yes, I did not tell him.
Not tell him?
Yes, I just removed it because that one was not like a month. It was a week.
Okay.
Then I removed it. So sometimes the way he do act, if I go to work and come back, he was like insulting me that I'm sleeping around, I'm doing this. Because of that, I stopped work before I look for another place again and start working. This one now, he gave me pregnancy, and I don't know that I was pregnant. Then I called him on phone because he traveled. I told him that, still, I'm pregnant. He told me that, what is the meaning of that I'm pregnant? Is it that I don't know what to do or what, or I don't have money? And I told him that I don't have any money with me. He now said, okay, that he will send 5,000 naira for me to go for a test, to go and confirm test. I said, okay. He sent the money, then I went to the hospital. Doctor confirmed that I'm 1 month pregnant, 1 month plus pregnant. And I said, okay. And I called him immediately in that hospital, telling him that, I'm pregnant, and they said it's 1 month plus. He said that I should ask the doctor how much are they doing abortion. And I told him that instead of me doing this abortion, it's better for me to go to Port Harcourt and stay with my friends there. Then he'll be supporting me till I deliver, and then we'll know what to talk on. He said that they are trying to settle matter, that me, I'm trying to expose him or something like that, that I should calm down, that everything will be fine for me. And I told him, okay. And I asked the doctor how much is the abortion. The doctor told me that it's 25,000. I called him and told him the amount. He said I should tell the doctor that it's 15,000 that he has, that he does not have 25,000 naira to spend. The doctor now said, if it's that one, I should look for another place and go. And before the doctor even started doing that, the doctor was like, are you not the one living with Glory then? I said, I'm the one. The doctor said, even you have brought you for abortion again. The doctor was like,
the doctor know the choir master.
Yes, he knows him. He even called the guy name.
Hello.
He knows the history of the guy.
So the choir master has been mapoking in front of him and giving them belle?
Every choir, because as this my issue happen now, I'm hearing that it's not only me Even people that have done 8 abortion for him, 4 abortion.
So wait. Before we go back to the hospital. So when 2 of them they live together, church no complain.
Church did not complain. They did not say anything.
On a two them are put together, see they sing for altar. No, personal life.
And even
from the hospital, leave your personal life out of. From the hospital, what can happen?
Then I called him and tell him the doctor hear his background. He even told me that I should not mention his name to the doctor. But through the phone number, doctor know that he was the one. Doctor now asked me that this my guy, which type of motor is he driving? I said it's Sienna. The doctor laughed. Say my baby, it's better for you to carry this money. Go and eat belle food. Go to the church. Tell them that he gets you pregnant. There is no issue about that. He will going to marry you. I called him, telling him that I'm no more doing this. I'm scared. He said that I will be fine. That I should just do it. That I will be fine. There is nothing going to happen to me. I said, okay. After doing the thing, I called him. I told him that I have done it all. He feel less confined. He does not even ask, even to give me money for food. No, he just feel less confined. Till the bleeding started. Then I got to go to church and tell the elders that that I'm bleeding, that I'm passing out. They called him. To their front, he told them that yes, that he did it, but they should try to cover him up. Then the elder, they came out, they were telling us that me, I'm lying in everything I'm saying. I was crying, that I kept quiet. It was on Sunday. I did not go to church. Our pastor said he saw in vision that Princess wants to die on Friday, that they should pray for her, that she's bleeding, that she went and do abortion. Then that Sunday, people start calling me. I got to run to the church, and I see the prophet. And the prophet was asking me. I told the prophet that he was the one, nobody else. The doctor said, okay, that the pastor said yes, that he sees that he's the one, but he wants to confirm from me. Yes. Then they called meeting the next Sunday. The guy was talking in their prayer that he's not the one responsible for the pregnancy. They were not asking him the money for the hospital that he sent. He said he sent money because I'm not feeling fine. That anybody that is sick in his house used to carry the person to the hospital.
But wait, so you talk saying don't confess to the elders before now. So
which kind? Yes, he told the elders inside office.
Yeah.
That he was the one, but they should try to cover him up. And the elders, they came out.
Calm down now. You did the office that time they tell the others.
I was not there.
So how you say no? Say it's confess to the others.
Because
I understand you.
Yes, they said it. Because when the issue started, they called them the general overseer. They were doing meeting. They was like, well, you told us that yes, that you are the one, but we should try and cover you. Like, he said the elder, they are trying to stab him at the back. The elder was like, well, you told us that yes, that you did it, that we should try and cover you up. Then why are you lying? He said that he never said so.
So, you still a bleed?
Yes, I'm still bleeding seriously.
And nothing the church or the choirmaster don't do about them to carry you
the
go
church,
hospital.
The prophet, when the matter started, they told him that they want to carry it out of government for government to handle. Then our general overseer said we should calm down, that we should do it church to church. But now, he said that it's not like that he have removed his hand, there is nothing concerning him about the issue, that me and my family should fight over it. And the guy in question was like, we cannot do him anything, that he has seen many cases, that I cannot do him anything.
So what did the church they talk now?
They are not saying anything. Everybody, they have removed their hand.
Wow. So the church don't remove their hand.
Yes,
and the young man is still choirmaster of the church.
They gave me and him 3 months suspension.
Oh, 3 months suspension. That's all.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
I want to ask one question. You let those people know, say, see what you find out for hospital, say, this man, the whole
Yes, I even told them that see what the doctor, even one auntie like that, followed me to the hospital to confirm.
To confirm with you?
From the doctor, yes.
And the church not do anything still?
They did not say anything about it.
Now just the suspension only?
Yes.
What will be your state now?
So you see the bleed.
Huh?
Sir?
How you be now?
I'm okay, but the bleeding is getting too much, and my tummy keeps biting me.
Okay, so the church, the guy, that why don't rush you go hospital to go know the state of your health.
They took me to the hospital to confirm.
Who took you? Who took you?
The elder and the one auntie like that. They took me to the hospital, and they do scan. Can't say there is nothing there again.
So why the bleeding? What did they talk about the bleeding?
They bought a drugs for me that I should be taking, and the drugs, instead the drugs will be calming the bleeding, it's increasing it. I'm snapping every bleeding I keep getting. I keep snapping them.
Okay, so I will allow you go there. We'll call the guy. How old are you, madam?
I'm 23 years.
23 years old?
Yes, sir.
The choir master, how old are you not saying there?
It's like either 30-something or 40-something.
Oh, piano though. Choir master! The so-band chorister. They live with the chorister. They live with them.
Turn all of them to
Heke material. You even put the guy in the first family way. The guy go come out them. You put them in the second family way. You cannot leave her. Even the third head that say that you so no one. Okay, Robos. At 23, you don't get accommodation. Where your father and your mother did? At 23, what did they do for my house? At 23, as a young girl, what are you doing outside your father's house? You never married.
She needs freedom. The freedom be it.
At my age, I don't want to leave my mother's house.
I tell him.
Because my mother will tell you, are you mad? You want to go rent house? Are you mad? Are you okay? Come on, my friend, stay here. My mama, don't be say my papa. My father don't die since. My mother made sure all of us stayed in that family house till we're ready to get married. Are you mad to go rent house? Are you under which? Come on, stay under here now, man, watch you grow. But these days, our parents will just allow our children 18 years they go rent house, 17 they go rent house. I want to live on my own. I don't say we don't there for America. Choir master say, how do they feel when I go my poke finish then climb on top altar? How do they feel? Like be disgrace. Hello.
Hello, good morning. God bless you.
No, come on.
Good morning, Pastor.
Good morning, Pastor.
Yeah, good morning, sir.
Yeah.
Pastor, our name, we there two here. Our name is Tombo, Belle, and Robosman from Wazobia FM Lagos.
Oh, okay, sir. Good morning, sir. God bless you, sir.
Bless you, sir.
Bless
Pastor,
you too.
Yes, sir.
one of your church members, in fact, two of them, the choir master and the girl, her name is Princess, we carry Belle for the choir master.
Okay.
I don't know if you're aware of that.
Yes, sir. This, by special grace, okay, can I talk, sir?
Hold on, sir. Hold on,
Morning.
Pastor.
Okay.
We hear that the young girl is bleeding, and some either your elders don't carry her go hospital, and she's still bleeding.
Okay,
How
sir.
far? What did the church don't do to this young man? Has he been arrested? And then how far the church don't go for the young girl when they bleed?
Okay.
Because she's still bleeding
Because she's still
profusely.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Can I talk now, sir?
Go ahead.
sir.
Yeah, the teach prophet. So when we are did the abortion, and God made sure the person's name princess, and that particular day she was not in the church. I asked, is there any princess in the church in the choir? They say yes. I said, what did she say? She didn't come to church. So and I said, I saw pregnancy, that she's pregnant and she do abortion. So on the process, God reviewed a choir master who pregnanted. I said, can this thing be real? After the service, I called them for meeting. I called the elder, say, look at what I'm seeing. Look at what I'm seeing. Look at. So why some people start blaming me? Why would I say such message public when people are hearing me? I said, I'm not God. God directed me to say something. And I said, and she was bleeding. So we now call this guy. This guy denied, say he's not the one. I said, I don't want to go more further. Wait, I know because he would deny this. What we should do, first of all, go and treat this girl.
Yeah.
She says she's not going to bring money, that she's not responsible.
That he's not responsible for it.
Yes, sir. So do you know what I do? I said, okay, elders, please take this girl to hospital first. Treat this girl very well. Then we will know how we are going to go about this young man. Let's see. On the process, the elders did meeting and they took the girl to hospital and they treat the girl. And they came back, they told me they spent 20,000. I said, that guy is going to pay it. They said the guy says he's not going to pay any money. I said, don't worry, when I see him. On the process of that, when that thing happened, I give two of them suspension. Since over 2 weeks now, I've never seen Tito and the young girl in the church because Later on, I give them suspension to stay at the back seat because since they have committed, and I do preach righteousness. So what are people hearing about the church? This is how some people will do. Spoil church and people will talking about the church. See what people are doing inside the church. I showed them. I said, first of all, what we do now is you treat the girl, and which they have treated the girl very, very well. But they now came back to me and said the girl is still bleeding. If the girl is bleeding now, I don't know.
The girl is
Right.
still
But
bleeding,
before she
sir.
was
We
bleeding.
spoke to her, man of God.
You have
Yes,
done
sir.
well. You have done well, sir. But like my colleague is saying here, the
Yes, sir.
girl still bleeding seriously.
Okay.
In fact, her situation is very critical now that we want the church to revisit her case.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Yes, sir. And
Okay.
because of the respect we have for men of God, we have not we refuse to mention your church name
Yeah, yeah.
on radio so that people will not feel like, oh, your church is like this. But Pastor, I also feel that suspending the choir master without arresting him is wrong. Or for arrest him first before I suspend that. Now, I don't suspend that, the guy don't take off.
No, it's still
It's
that
not
we
the
know
day
his
back
house.
of the church.
We know his house, yes, sir. We know everything about
Okay,
him.
so man of God, sir, unless
sir.
you want Wasabi FM to come into this thing, we would like the church to first of all arrest that boy.
Okay.
Yes. Otherwise, we'll call your church on radio and we'll drag you on radio. We don't want to drag you on your church. We want
no
you to arrest that boy because how can he encourage abortion? And abortion is illegal in Nigeria.
Yes.
Even the doctor that did the abortion needs to be arrested.
Good. So, Pastor, sir, we will call you because we have your contact, we have your church name and everything. We would like you, sir, to
Okay, sir.
kindly arrest the choir master, possibly the doctor. Because if this guy bleeds to death, it will be on you and your church.
I told them, if this get bleed to death, something else will come out on this. And I told the guy. Yes, sir.
So please, where can we get feedback from you? But I also need your church, your elders, to come together and hurry up today. We'll also we'll support in our only way financially, so that they can rush this guy to the hospital
Immediately after this speech.
We'll send somebody from Wasabi FM to come and locate you, sir, and the church, so that they can rush this guy to the hospital for proper care.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. We are going to do anything possible by God's grace, sir. But the guy will be arrested.
Man of God, if your church does not arrest this man, I'll call you on radio to the end of this year. I'll keep disturbing you and your church.
No problem. By God's grace, by special grace of God, God will arrest him. We'll arrest him. Sorry.
I respect you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Good. Thank you very much. No
Thank you so much, sir.
Right.
Thank you so much, sir.
And they say the way the man of God talk, you go not say this man of God not be no nonsense man.
Yes. Not be one of those.
Not be one of those.
You know.
Bama.
Bankers.
Some anunkitas.
You know.
Chook pounds. Wazobia. 95.1 Wazobia.